I've been postponing this moment for years, not days, not weeks, years together. And then I finally decided to press record. I've recorded entire videos in my head, imagined thousands of conversations, but I never pressed record. You know why? Because of that universal fear. कि लोग क्या बोलेंगे? ये क्या बोल रही है? इसे कुछ आता भी है? ये कैसे बात कर रही है? But today, I finally decided to stop overthinking, and this is probably the longest overdue introduction of my life. Hi, I'm Bindya. I wanted to do this for over 15 years, so this video is less about starting a YouTube channel and it's more about getting my mind out of the way. For a long time, I locked myself, waiting for the perfect time to heal and then step out. I just disconnected myself from the world outside. So recently, a random conversation with my younger brother changed everything. He said to me, "Didi, you've endured so much. You've locked yourself. You've disconnected from the world outside. You've stopped meeting people. You shy away from meeting friends. Why can't you just be normal? Just step out. Go for a walk. Meet people. Talk to them. Just have fun." He said, "You're not going to come back ever as Bindi Didi again. So live this life. Don't waste it." And that hit me hard. I think I really needed that. Sometimes, the most random moments in life can be real game changers. So here I am, all set to complete what I visualized 15 years ago. So through this platform, I'll be sharing my real experiences, the learnings, the ups and downs, which are part and parcel of life, how I dealt with them, and how they helped me evolve. If any of these learnings could make even a smallest difference to your life, if any of you can relate to the situations, and if you could find solutions through my learnings, that will be my biggest win. Also, for those who've been delaying expressing yourself on camera, I want you to do one small exercise. The moment at the end of this video, I want you to just switch on the cameras on your phone and just press record and talk and express anything that comes to your head, something that you've kept inside of you for years. Just keep talking till you're done. And don't look at the video immediately. Open it the next morning and you'll be amazed with what you see. I would like to know your experience with this small exercise. Tell me in the comments below. And I have so much more to share, so much more to talk. So if you want to learn from my experiences, please don't forget to subscribe and follow me. I cannot wait to see you again. Until then, bye!